In this video, we're going over how you can join the Roblox Goalbound Discord server. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to go ahead and join the Roblox Goalbound Discord server, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually open up Discord and scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this servers tab and hit add a server. Now this is going to be the exact same on the mobile app, so it doesn't matter if you're on your PC or not. Just click this add a server section and then hit join a server right here. You're going to want to go ahead and type in the following, which is going to be goal, G-O-A-L, bound, B-O-U-N-D, and then hit enter. Just make sure that you have it all lowercase and no spaces. What this is going to go ahead and do is immediately log you into the Goalbound Discord server, where you'll be prompted to go ahead and customize your experience. Simply go ahead and choose whatever you would like, hit finish, and then what you need to go ahead and do after this is actually verify your channel right here. But yeah, that's it. You are now in. If this video did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.